Students, we will begin a new chapter today and I will explain each details of it. Pay attention. So we are dealing with chapter 8 which talks about managing fire tragedies. Okay, already the word meaning I have already given to you. So the fire tragedies is always dangerous. It's worst fire tragedies the writer talks about. And then writer is beginning with the three incidents. Incident number 1, incident number 2, and this is incident number 3. Okay, and writer is talking about it happened in India itself. This is normal in other countries, but specifically writer is talking about in India. So 13 years ago, in Sirsa district in Haryana, the place name is Davwali town, where 442 people died and many of them were children. There was an annual school function. In that annual school function, these 442 people died and many of them were children. Plus, most of them were injured. So they decided that they will give money to the victim's family. But is it possible for the victim's family to forget that empty place that they have in their hearts has been created by these worst fire tragedies in India, in Davoli town, in Haryana, in Sirsa district? And that is a question mark to us, and answer will be probably no. And the second incident the writer is talking about, it happened in 2004. Another incident in Tamil Nadu, more than 100 students died after eating midday meal in the primary school. A writer is talking about this is nothing but the carelessness of the people. Carelessness of the people. And this most of the times it happens in South India. And the third incident writer is talking about, it is in Meerut. It's a place name where more than 60 people died out of these fire tragedies. And this is also in India. At the end, the writer is talking about we need to have some precaution. We need to prevent this great danger that every year we are facing. Thus, the safety saves is not a slogan but the real truth. Okay, this is how the writer talks about the managing fire tragedies. Continue to watch. I will give more description on this chapter. Thank you. Stay safe.